everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Brooke and I have my standard poodle, Henry. Say hi. I have him here with me. Anyway, since I have you here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I do a ton of fashion content, fashion reviews, lifestyle content, so please hit subscribe. That would help a lot. I do videos every weekend. Today, I'm going to be doing a fashion review. I am going to do a review over one of Anthropologie's items. I have lately become slightly obsessed with Anthropologie. However, you know, it can be pricey, so I gotta choose wisely. So I've been looking for another tennis dress and kind of want a little bit more preppy that I can, you know, wear out to more things. And I got some cute new sneakers that I could wear with it. So let's get into it. So I'm actually wearing it right now, and this is my first time wearing it. I just cut the tags off, and it is called the Varley Downing Court Dress. And of course, the most important part, the price. It is $138 US. Now, you know, pretty much all of these tennis dresses these days are like about $100. I saw it online and I thought it was super cute. I had never ordered any athleisure from Anthropologie, but wow, I am loving it. I got a size medium. It fits great. It is breathable. It's super soft, and it has like a 4-way stretch, and it has a V-neck, and it has a zipper. I have a sports bra underneath. You can either zip it all the way up or zip it not. I've also tried it on with just like these nipple coverings, and it looked perfectly fine, and it was all the way zipped up. It has a pleated skirt, which I'll show you in a minute. And guess what? Thank God, it is also lined inside with shorts. I have like long legs and just long limbs, so like normal skirts and dresses just look automatically short on me because of my long body, but thank God these have shorts. And yeah, let me go ahead and show you the full fit. I love the zipper. Like I said, more preppy. But, Henry, sit. There you have it. I really love this Anthropologie dress. I will link it in the description box to my LTK. So if you like this dress, click the link, follow me on LTK, Brooks_closet. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next week on some fashion content, and that's all I have. Bye guys.